Hi there. In this video, we will show you how to quickly transform your balcony into a beautiful outdoor oasis. Start with a plan. Before you start making changes, take a few minutes to consider what you want to achieve with your balcony. Think about how you want to use the space, what kind of mood you want to create, and what kind of plants and decor you want to include. Clean and declutter. The first step in any makeover is to clear away any clutter and give your balcony a good cleaning. This will help you get a better sense of the space and make it easier to work with. 8. Seating. Once your balcony is clean, you will want to add seating so you have a place to relax and enjoy the view. You can opt for a small table and chairs, a comfortable longer, or even a few cushions and pillows on the floor. 8. Plants and flowers. Plants and flowers are an essential part of any balcony, adding colors, fragrance, and life to the space. Choose plants that are well suited to your balcony's lighting conditions and consider using containers to help you create different levels of greenery. Add lighting. Adding lighting to your balcony can help extend the house. You can spend enjoying the space, and it can also help create a warm and inviting you can ambience. Add decor to your balcony to help complete the look. This could include a colorful rug, decorative essence like candles or vases, and even items you can make yourself like a painted terracotta pot or a music tile wall hanging. Add some natural elements. Bring some greenery and natural elements to your balcony. You can add potted plants, flowers, and herbs that can be grown in small containers. You can also add natural elements such as stones or pebbles to your balcony. This can help to create a more serene and climbing environment and also help to improve the air quality. Create an entertainment area. Create an entertainment area and your balcony by adding a small table and chairs. This can be a great place to relax and enjoy the fresh air. You can also add a small grill for barbecuing and entertainment guests. Add a privacy screen. If you want to add some privacy to your balcony, you can add a privacy screen or hang curtains. This can help to keep your balcony protected from wind and sun and can also help to add a sense of seclusion of the space. Decide on the theme for your balcony. Do you want a relaxing space for coffee and reading books, or a vibrant garden filled with colorful flowers and herbs? The themes will help guide your design choices. Before you start buying plants and decorations, make sure to plan out the layout of your balcony. This will help you visualize how everything will look and make sure you have enough space for all of your plants and decorations. Enjoy. Just enjoy your balcony, spend time relaxing in the sun or enjoying a meal with friends and family. With these steps in mind, you can create a functional and attractive balcony that you will love spending time in. So go ahead and start balcony that you will love spending time in. So go ahead and start designing your dream balcony today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more great content. Thanks for watching.